What's up, my peoples? As you can see, it's that time of the week where boom, 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 boom. Beat y'all fish another MunchTime review, and it's going down because we got some pretzel bites, honey mustard and onion flavor. It's going down, baby! So if you're not ready, you better get ready because here we go. Let's get it, man! So, Haevyn is back once again to help me beat down another snack, baby. So, this flavored pretzels, you think you're gonna like this? Honey mustard and onion?
This is gonna be real interesting. I actually don't have any high hopes for this at all, but I'm up for the challenge.
I feel like it's gonna be tangy as hell.
I mean, I like mustard though. I'm just not a fan of honey mustard.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of honey mustard. It's like too sweet for me, but I don't know. Let's break this open and see what it do.
What it's like. What it smell like?
Pretzel.
Let me see. What? I smell mustard.
Oh, no, here you go. Okay, it's
God.
coming through. It's coming through. Okay, so.
I'm gonna dig in.
You gonna dig? Yeah, just dig in.
Dust on it. It's like mustard dust.
Alright. It's about to go down, so watch us chow this down. That honey mustard is turning up a little bit.
It's way up.
Whoa. The onion's coming through now. Okay.
The volume on that mustard, blasting. Yeah, that's a lot of mustard.
Yeah, that mustard, it slowly turned up. It wasn't there in the beginning, but when it kicks off, it
straight kicks you, like Spartan kicks you.
Yeah. I don't know, what you give that?
I give it a 2.5.
I give it a 3.
See, we was close.
Yeah, I give it a 3.
It wasn't bad. It's just really different.
Yeah, I guess honey mustard lovers. People who love honey mustard would like this. I'm not a honey mustard guy. You know, I think it's a little too sweet for me, but I think if you're a honey mustard lover, I feel like you would like it. You would definitely enjoy this.
And it didn't taste like pretzels though.
It didn't. It smelled like pretzel when I first opened it, but when I tasted it, it was that honey mustard was definitely kicking off. Something crazy. So,
if you're daring, I guess get it.
Yeah. Where we found these at? We found these at
This was Family Dollar.
Family Dollar. So, what was the price ain't on here?
I think it was like $3.
Yeah, it was around that price. Yeah. So, you see these at Family Dollar? You want to try these? It's there. So, if you like this review, hit it with a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, show a brother and Haevyn once again some love, man, and follow me on my social media that be posted after this video just to black. And until the next MunchTime review, the Wildcat J. Troy is out.